Hi there.
Hi, it's Helena and Dave here at Lighthouse Tai Chi with another one of our Lighthouse Wellbeing videos. And today we're going to show you and talk to you about Baoding. So what are Baoding?
What indeed?
Okay, Baoding are little metallic balls. They are a Chinese invention and they come in a little box like this, very nicely decorated, and you'll have bit of information hopefully in the box. That really helps. And inside are two metallic balls. Now these might be painted in different colours. You've got yin yang one, dragon one, and these are mine, they're just plain. Okay, so you have two of these, and inside is a little chime. Okay, the hollow with a little chime, and each chime is slightly different. It's like the clangers. And that's to balance yin and yang in the body. So we're going to tell you about why you use them, but first of all Dave's going to tell you about how to use them.
So obviously you place these in your hands, okay, and you flex and move the hands in various different ways to rotate the balls clockwise, anti-clockwise. You can use more than two, but we'll do a little clip, a little video just to show you, and we'll put that in now. Basically, you got clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. So here I'm focusing on using more my fingers, to change the direction, rolling through the knuckles. Now you can roll it a bit more into your palm, so flexing more through your palm again, both directions. And also don't forget the other hand as well. Okay. Again, just clockwise, anti-clockwise, for however long you want. Well, if you want to get really flash, have one in each hand.
So that's a very simple beginner's way of using them. There's different techniques you can find out. There's a lot of information about them online as well, so do educate yourself about that. And do have a look at our blog at lighthouselifestyle.blogspot.com, and I'll tell you how I came about having mine. The main reason that my teacher gave me these was because I had arthritis in my hands, I still do, and I have Raynaud's syndrome, which is where your hands, feet, extremities get very cold. And I found that using these every day, just gently, not trying to be an expert or anything, has increased the flexibility of my hand, has improved my blood circulation, and as Dave was saying earlier, it's very meditative and calming. The idea is that you can either move them very slowly and keep them in contact with each other, and it will make less noise, or you can try to separate them so they really ring. I prefer the quieter version myself. So we hope that explains what those are, and if you do have health problems with your hands and you want to increase the flexibility and strength of the hand, it's definitely something to consider. So now you know.
Yeah, so remember they range from quite sort of reasonable prices up to really, really expensive. Depends on the finish, depends on the size. So it's personal choice really, but do be mindful of the size of your hand. Yeah, if the diameter is too big, you will not be able to...
That's too big for me.
Yeah, you will not be able to do what you need to do. And equally, if they're too heavy and you've got arthritic joints, it's going to put too much stress on your hands initially. Okay, so do look at the weight, look at the diameter, and sort of measure it against your hand. Okay, and then hopefully you'll get the right one.
So enjoy your Baoding, and hopefully you'll get some health benefits from that. If you enjoyed this video, do have a look at our other wellbeing videos that are in the playlist. Please give us a thumbs up, let us know you've enjoyed the content, and hit the subscribe button for more. Bye.
Bye.